विकसित भारत विकसित ओडिशा।
Powered by Rungta Mines Limited.
रुंगटा स्टील TMT बार एकदम सॉलिड।
Associate sponsor Jindal Steels, MJ Minerals Limited, SN Mohanty Group of Companies,
Unleash freshness. Wildstone Cold Body Perfumes.
Paradip Port Authority, Odisha Industrial Infrastructure Development Corporation, Vedant Limited, Mahanadi Coalfields Limited, Tata Steel Limited, Nalco.
विकसित भारत विकसित ओडिशा।
Good evening to one and all present here. I am Kiran, your AI host for the evening, and I'm delighted to welcome you all to the Kalinga TV Conclave, themed Vikasit Bharat, Vikasit Odisha. Kalinga TV has been hosting major conclaves since its inception in 2015, bringing together eminent personalities from both within and outside the state. This year's conclave holds special significance as it focuses on the theme Vikasit Bharat, Vikasit Odisha. The event aims to present diverse perspectives from renowned thought leaders on how both India and Odisha can advance on the path of transformational growth and reach new milestones. As voices of vision and experience converge on a single platform, the conclave promises to spark ideas, inspire action, and shape the roadmap for a progressive and developed Odisha within a truly Vikasit Bharat. Vikasit Bharat envisions India as a fully developed nation by 2047, coinciding with the 100th year of independence. The goal includes economic strength, world-class infrastructure, innovation-driven growth, quality education, healthcare, social equity, and global leadership. It calls for collective effort, policy reforms, and citizen participation to transform India into a prosperous, inclusive, and futuristic nation. We are gathered here to celebrate ideas, leadership, and Odisha's journey toward a developed, empowered, and progressive future. To formally commence this evening, may I invite our distinguished dignitaries to kindly come forward for the lighting of the lamp. To officially open today's inaugural session, it is my privilege to invite Honorable Dr. Achyuta Samanta, founder, KIIT, KISS, KIMS and Kalinga TV, former Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. A globally respected educationist, humanitarian and institution builder, Dr. Samanta has transformed the lives of tens of thousands of tribal and underprivileged children through KISS and built KIT into one of India's most admired universities. His initiatives span education, tribal empowerment, healthcare, sports, rural development, women's safety, and social transformation. He is the guiding force behind Kalinga TV and a symbol of what compassion, courage, and vision can achieve. Sir, we request you to deliver the welcome address.
आज कलिंग टीवी वर्ष को दी तीन थर एमती मेगा कॉन्क्लेव करे आज एक सुंदर कॉन्क्लेव कलिंग टीवी आयोजन कर विकसित भारत विकसित ओडिशा विकसित भारत विकसित ओडिशा and we are very much happy that we have with us the Honorable Chief Guest for this occasion to inaugurate this conclave of Kalinga TV, our His Excellency, Honorable Governor of Kerala, Sri Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar as the chief guest present here. Similarly, we have with us our Honorable Minister from the Government of Odisha, respected Sri Prithviraj Harichandan ji, for Law, Works and also Excise. We have with us the great journalist of India, respected Sri Prabhu Chawla ji, editorial director, the New Indian Express Group. We are also very happy. We have also another one renowned journalist, editor-in-chief of Kannada Prabha, Bangalore, respected Sri Ravi Hegde ji. Our respected Sri Sampath Chandra Swai ji, Honorable Minister, who is joining very soon. My dear Mr. Somajit Patnaik, Chief Editor, Kalinga TV. And also we have many eminent personalities from the diverse field, from all fields, from Cuttack, Bhubaneswar and other parts also of the Odisha state are present here. Honorable MLAs, Honorable MPs, Honorable advocates, lawyers, academicians, and also our other speakers also are present here. Our His Excellency Honorable Governor of Kerala. I am so grateful to him that he has come all the way just to see Kit and Kiss and grace this occasion. We are very much grateful to His Excellency for your kind presence here and to inaugurate this conclave. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce a soulful leader, His Excellency Sri Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar ji, 23rd Governor of Kerala. When he was just 21 years old, Governor Arlekar ji and his father were imprisoned together during the emergency of 1975 and jailed for defending democracy when silence seemed safer. As a Speaker of the Goa Legislative Assembly, he did not just manage proceedings, he revolutionized them. In 2014, he made Goa the first state assembly in India to go completely paperless. One monsoon session we know alone saved 1,300 trees because of this. That is not just administrative efficiency, it is environmental leadership. A man of many firsts, the first governor of Himachal Pradesh from Goa, the first speaker to insist that Goa's assembly proceedings be conducted in Konkani, the people's language. Here is the personal touch of His Excellency. His childhood dream to be a classical singer, today his passions remain Indian classical music, Marathi light music, and also watching plays. His favorite book, M.C. Chagla, autobiography, Roses in Democracy, a man who understands that leadership becomes even in the harshest seasons. From Vasco da Gama to Patna, to Shimla to Tirumitopuram, he has served 3 states as governor with distinction. A commerce graduate who becomes a constitutional authority, an RSS worker since childhood, who learned that service comes before power. So there are many things in the credit of His Excellency Honorable Governor of Odisha. Sir, on behalf of the people of the state and entire elite group present here, on my behalf I welcome you, sir. Thank you very much for your time, coming all the way in the morning and leaving just now. We are really grateful to you. Similarly, आमे बहुत खुशी आपण मानकर समस्त अति परिचय, अति भल लोक, अति वक्ता, लाइक सन, लाइक फादर, आमर समस्त सम्मानस्पद श्री पृथ्वीराज हरिचंदन महोदय जी, जे कि ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर अच्छा लॉ वर्क्स एक्साइज गवर्नमेंट ऑफ ओडिशा रे जड़े दक्ष मंत्री हिसाब से से निजक प्रतिपादित करमती बापा प्रतिपादित करते आमर सम्मानस्पद विश्व हरिचंद्र महोदय सेमती ए अल्प दिन भितर पृथ्वीराज हरिचंद्र महोदय सारा ओडिशा रे निज काम को एमती भाव में प्रतिपादित करछंती जाकि से समस्त आदर पात्र होती मु बहुत खुशी से आसेम्बली थिबा भितरे मध्य से समय काढ़ी आसीचंती मु तांको मोर व्यक्तिगत कृतज्ञता जणाइबा सहित कलिंग टीवी तरफ आपण तरफ मो तरफ तांको स्वागत करुच्ची बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मध्य दउची आपण माने समस्ते प्रभु चावला विषय जानिचंती दो ही स्टेज इन माने दिल्ली बट ही इज हाउस होल्ड नेम इन ओडिशा माने ओडिशा रे एते घरे घरे परिचित प्रभु चावला जी एन इंडियन जर्नलिस्ट alumni of the Deshbandhu College, University of Delhi, started his career as an economics lecturer in Delhi University. Now he is the editorial director of the New Indian Express, a Chennai-based newspaper in India. Earlier also he was the editor of the same newspaper. And before that also we know he was the editor of language publications in India Today, news magazine. Before also he was holding the post and he worked as the group editorial director of India Today Group and many things in his credit. सर आज ज़्यादा समय नहीं ले रहे आपका बारे में बोलने के लिए तो सुनिए तो मैं आभारी हूँ सच्ची में मैं इसे जस्ट सोचा कल जे व्हाई नॉट प्रभु चावला जी शुड कम एंड ग्रेस द ओकेजन विद गवर्नर एंड अदर्स तो मैं आपको ऐसे जस्ट थोड़ा रिक्वेस्ट किया आपका आज प्रोग्राम है मुझे पता है उसको कैंसिल करके आगे दिस शोज योर लव एंड अफेक्शन नॉट ओनली टू माय वर्क बट ऑल्सो टू द पीपल ऑफ ओडिशा I welcome you, sir. Thank you very much. I am really grateful to you. And same thing also happens to our Ravi Hegde ji, a visionary Kannada media, very renowned journalist, more than 33 years, editor-in-chief of Kannada Prabha, and also Asianet Subarna News, is a pioneer in Kannada journalism with over 30 years of experience spanning print, television, and digital media. Recognized as a master of the modern newsroom and a technical savvy editor, he has revolutionized Kannada media by integrating cutting-edge technology, establishing new-age internet news portals, and also launching mobile news apps, etc., etc. So, Ravi Hegde ji is a nice person. He also loves me and my work. He has visited also before 11, 12 years Kit and Kiss. Today, after seeing again Kit and Kiss, he was totally mad. What God has created here in Bhubaneswar. But I am really grateful to you, sir. This shows your love and affection. Now, hectic political situation going on in Bangalore. Leaving that situation as a renowned journalist, you could make it convenient to grace this occasion and see me and my activities. I am really grateful to you. So I welcome you on behalf of the entire elite group or gatherings present here, on behalf of Kalinga TV, and on my behalf, I welcome you, sir. Thank you very much and gracing this occasion, etc. Sampath Swai Mohoday ଆସିବେ ଆଉ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଯେତେ କୃତଜ୍ଞତା ଜଣେଇଲେ ବି କମ୍ ହେବ ଆପଣମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଏତେ ଭଲ ପାଇକି ଏତେ ସଂଖ୍ୟାରେ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ବହୁତ କୃତଜ୍ଞତା ଜ୍ଞାପନ କରୁଛି ଜୀବନରେ ଜଣେ ଜଣକୁ ଭଲ ପାଇବାଠୁ ଆଉ କିଛି ଜିନିଷ ଦେଇପାରିବ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ କ୍ଷଣସ୍ଥାୟୀ ଭଲ ପାଇବାଟା ହେଉଛି ଚିରସ୍ଥାୟୀ ଯିଏ ଜୀବନରେ ଯେତେ ଭଲ ପାଇବ ସେ ସେତେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ରହିବ ସ୍ୱସ୍ଥ ରହିବ ସବୁକିଛି ରହିବ ଯେମିତି ମୁଁ ରହିଛି ଦିନକୁ 18 ଘଣ୍ଟା କାମ କରୁଛି ତଥାପି ମୁଁ ରହିଛି କେବଳ ମୁଁ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ପାଏ ତେଣୁ ଆପଣମାନେ ସେଇ ଭଲ ପାଇବାଟା କଳିଙ୍ଗ ଟିଭିକୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମୋ କାମକୁ ବି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଅଶେଷ ଅଶେଷ କୃତଜ୍ଞତା ଜ୍ଞାପନ କରୁଛି ସୌମ୍ୟଜିତ ବାବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଟିଭି ଆପଣ ଚଲାଉଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଆସିଛି ଇଏ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯେତେ ଟିମ୍ ଏଠି ବସିଛନ୍ତି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏଣ୍ଟାୟାର କଳିଙ୍ଗ ଟିଭିର ସମସ୍ତ କର୍ମକର୍ତ୍ତାମାନଙ୍କୁ ଷ୍ଟାଫ୍ମାନଙ୍କୁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଥରେ କୃତଜ୍ଞତା ଜ୍ଞାପନ କରୁଛି ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ନମସ୍କାର
Thank you so much, sir. Your vision and direction continue to energize everyone associated with Kalinga TV. Your leadership remains a source of strength and inspiration for us all.
विकसित भारत विकसित ओडिशा ବିକଶିତ ଭାରତ ବିକଶିତ ଓଡ଼ିଶା।
Joining us is Shri Ravi Hegde, the esteemed editor-in-chief of Kannada Prabha, Bengaluru, a veteran journalist shaping Kannada media with clarity, integrity, and a sharp editorial vision. Sir, we welcome your address.
Namaskara everyone. Honorable Governor of Kerala, His Excellency Sri Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekarji, Minister Sri Pratvijit Haritharanji, Dr. Sri Achyut Samantaji, and India's legendary journalist Sri Prabhu Chawlaji. Earlier, for many of us in Karnataka, Odisha was known mainly for its magnificent Odissi dance, the Konark Sun Temple, and the sacred Puri Jagannath Temple. We also associated Odisha with the stories of tribal life, the challenges of Naxal-affected regions, and the recurring cyclones that tested the resilience of this people. And of course, we remembered Odisha for King Ashoka and the historical Kalinga War that transformed the course of Indian history. Today, many young and old people from Odisha come to Karnataka looking for jobs and life opportunities. So an ordinary person in Karnataka thinks that Odisha is a backward state. Honestly, after coming here, after reading the latest news, I can say it is not a backward state anymore. While coming here, I traveled across many of the roads in Bhubaneswar. I should remind everyone that I come from a city of potholes, Bangalore. City of traffic jams, Bangalore. Now I should decide which is forward state or which is the backward state. Today the times are changing and changing for the better. Odisha is no longer the backward or underserved region. It is emerging as Vikasit Odisha, a state of rapid progress and rising potential. And this is how a nation grows too. Viksit Bharat becomes a reality only when every state becomes Viksit. But development is not just about industries and infrastructure. True development, essence of Viksit Bharat, it's in the building a nation that is economically strong, socially inclusive, technologically advanced, environmentally sustainable, and globally respected. Odisha, with its sensitive and precious ecosystem, has a special responsibility. As it races towards development, it must also safeguard to forests, coasts, culture, and heritage. The real spirit of Viksit Odisha will be achieved when progress goes hand in hand with preservation, when the state grows without losing the soul of its land. You may ask, is it really possible, one side achieving the growth and one side achieving the reach of the last person in the society? You think, is it possible? That's a living example. In fact, Dr. Achyut Samantaji himself is one of the finest examples of both Viksit Bharat and Viksit Odisha. His visionary leadership created KIIT and KISS, two institutions that reflect the true spirit of inclusive development. KIT serves those who can afford the quality education. KIT serves those who cannot. It is truly extraordinary that 40,000 students or children from KG to PG receive free education, accommodation, food, clothing, healthcare, sports training, and skill development as KISS. A child enters as a young learner and leaves as an empowered leader, ready for the life. No wonder UNESCO has recognized KISS as one of the world's best models of self-sustained growth. He has also created one of India's finest sports complexes and transformed the campus into a vibrant education hub. This exactly I was telling. The Vikasit means one side achieving the growth, another side reaching it to the poormost person. With KIT, it has achieved the growth, and KISS, it has reached the poorest people. This is the Vikasit example. I wholeheartedly congratulate Sri Samantaji for his unparalleled contribution to Odisha and to India. His work is a living example of Vikasit Odisha and Vikasit Bharat. If such initiatives are replicated across all states, then truly every state will become Vikasit and India will become Viksit Bharat.
Thank you, sir. Your thoughtful remarks and clarity of vision truly enrich today's deliberation. We now welcome Shri Prabhu Chawla, Editorial Director, the New Indian Express Group.
It's my privilege because I belong to the city in a way that I'm part of the newspaper, the New Indian Express, which has been there for many years here. And the New Indian Express represents the story of Viksit Odisha as well as Viksit Bharat. It has grown with Odisha, it has grown with India. If Bharat has grown, so has New Indian Express, so has Odisha, and so has Mr. Chancellor, the founder Chancellor of this. He has also created something which we are all proud of. KIT and KISS are the examples of, as he said, Viksit Odisha. सब्जेक्ट आज का है विकसित भारत विकसित उड़ीसा. आई रिवर्स इट. I say Viksit Odisha and therefore Viksit Bharat. If the Odisha is not Viksit, Bharat cannot be Viksit at all because all the family members have to grow together. And Odisha has been going faster than many other states in the last 20 years. It is no more a poor state, it is no more a backward state, it is no more a Kalahandi state where people used to die early of hunger. So we are proud of Odisha. I am thinking of Dr. Samanta here. He is single, I am told. But he has fathered many institutions. The institutions, वो अकेले हैं, कुंवारे हैं, परंतु काफ़ी इंस्टीट्यूशन के पिता भी हैं. इतनी अच्छी इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं जो कोई भी जनरेट नहीं कर सकता. KISS and KITS are examples of outstanding academic institutions without profit, running on self-financing basis, creating a financial model which makes the institution highly acceptable not only in India but abroad. It is because of that he has won so many PhDs, the highest ever by any education in India. I am told he has got 100 PhDs from all over the world. We must give a big hand to him as well. Coming back to Viksit Bharat and Viksit Odisha. Odisha is one of the best governed state now. It will be better now because we have got a double engine Sarkar now. Earlier it was a single engine Sarkar, and Mr. Naveen Patnaik in 20 years did a lot of things. But now it is a chance for Odisha to become the one of the best, compete with the one of the best in the country. Because it has got the double engine Sarkar, you have got the support from the center, you have got the Prime Minister like Narendra Modi, who thinks Vikas, he thinks, eats Vikas, he smells Vikas. For him, Vikas is the only mission in his life. So if that Vikas mission is implemented in Odisha, I am told Viksit Bharat and Viksit Odisha can walk together. We recognize Odisha as state, which I think is the literary capital of India. We organize Odisha List Festival here. आप सबने सुना होगा Odisha List Festival करते हैं. हम 12 साल से कर रहे हैं because Odisha has got the intellectual input. It can compete with anybody in the country in terms of, like, if you go back to the history of Odisha literature, most of the literary figures were born here. यहाँ से literature बढ़ के हुआ है, यहाँ पर सबसे चीज़ें बड़ी हुई हैं. तो Odisha was neglected earlier. Now Odisha is proud part of Indian state. Yep. Without Odisha as a literature, now you have best, as Agde was pointing out, I have seen it. I used to come here when Mr. Patnaik, Janaki Vallabh Patnaik was the chief minister. I came first time in Odisha in 1980. And from 1980 to 45 years later, I have seen how it has grown. But when you talk about the Viksit Bharat, I can tell you because I'm part of the growth story. I was born as a refugee. I came here as a refugee in India from Pakistan. So I've seen how India has grown. Now we have got 800 billion as foreign exchange, which is record in the last 40 years. Now I carry a credit card in my pocket, go to anywhere in the world, I'm accepted with pride. Oh, Indian has come, he will spend money, he has got the credit card. Earlier he used to have $500, which he used to take and give there. Now you got 100 airports, there were about 20, 25, 30, 10 years ago. You got the construction of 35 kilometers highway every day. There is hardly a state in which national highway is not being constructed. You got many IIMs, many IITs, and our income in GDP growth, as they have pointed out, 8.5 crore. Even for the last 20 years, almost 20 years, India has been going at the maximum speed at 7% average. 2047 में मोदी जी ने कहा है कि विकसित भारत होगा, उसकी आधारशिला स्टेट्स ही रखेंगे। परंतु भारत का विकसित भारत तभी बनेगा जब विकसित भारत के अंदर हर व्यक्ति के पास रहने के लिए घर, पढ़ने के लिए अच्छा स्कूल, जिंदा रहने के लिए अच्छा अस्पताल, ये सब तक नहीं होंगे तब तक आप ये काम नहीं कर सकते। एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन भी उसमें बढ़नी चाहिए। मेरे को लगता है कि डॉक्टर सावंत का जो मॉडल है, शिक्षा अच्छी होनी चाहिए, सस्ती होनी चाहिए, अफोर्डेबल होनी चाहिए, और मोदी जी का जो मॉडल है कि सारे भारत को चुनना, वो कहा जाता है भारत की विविधता में एकता, वो सारे भारत को जोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, कल्चरली भी, इकोनॉमिकली भी, और हर तरह से भारत को जोड़ने की कोशिश जो चल रही है। पॉलिटिकल अलग हो सकती है, उसी के अंदर विकसित भारत होगा, उसी के साथ विकसित उड़ीसा होगा। धन्यवाद।
Grateful to you, sir, for those insightful and encouraging words. Your perspective adds great value to this evening's dialogue. Our next speaker, Shri Prithviraj Harichandan, Honorable Minister, Law, Works and Excise, Government of Odisha.
कलिंग टीवी आज जो कनक्लेव विकसित भारत विकसित ओडिशा, ये कनक्लेव रे आज मुख्य आकर्षण उद्घाटक एवं मुख्य अतिथि भाव में उपस्थित हिज एक्सीलेंसी द गवर्नर ऑफ केरला सम्मान्य श्री राजेंद्र विश्वनाथ आर्लेकर जी, भारतवर्षर प्रख्यात सांबादिक जनाशुना ना न्यू इंडियन एक्सप्रेस रो एडिटोरियल डायरेक्टर श्री प्रभु चावला जी, कन्नड़ प्रभा तर एडिटर इन चीफ सम्मान्य श्री रवि हेगड़े जी, आम माटीर अन्यतम सुयोग्य संतान पूर्वतन सांसद एवं किट किस एवं कलिंग टीवी स्रष्टा सम्मान्य डॉक्टर अच्युत सामंत जी, कलिंग टीवी चीफ एडिटर सौम्यजित बाबू एवं सामने रे उपस्थित विभिन्न फ्राटर्निटी आसीथिबा अतिथि भाव में जोग देइथिबा एवं ए कार्यक्रम को रुद्धिमंत करुथिबा समस्त बंधुगण भाई भौणी माने, जो कथा श्री प्रभु चावला जी 2 मिनिट पूर्वर कहूथिले मो भाबुची सेही कथारू मो कहिबा आरंभ करिबी। भारतवर्ष रो विकास सेतेबेले संभव हब जेतेबेले ओडिशा विकसित हब। से निश्चित भाव में जहाँ कहिचंती मु ताकु समर्थन भी करुची एवं मोर व्यक्तिगत कन्विक्शन भी सेया। मु भाबुची सामने उपस्थित अनेक बंधु मानकर भी व्यक्तिगत कन्विक्शन सेया थिबो जे ओडिशार विकास जेतेबेले हेई सारिबो तापरे भारतवर्षर विकासर एक नुआ स्वप्न देखिबार रास्ता तैयारी हब। सेही दृष्टिकोणरू आम पाई भी सुजोग सृष्टि होती 2036 मसीहा सुद्धा आमे विकसित ओडिशार परिकल्पना करिचे एवं 2036 मसीहा सुद्धा विकसित ओडिशा को सामने रखिकी 2047 विकसित भारतवर्षर एक स्वप्न आमे समस्ते देखा निश्चित भाव में सुजोग भी पाइबा एवं ताकू संभव भी करने आम पाखे रास्ता देखादब। बंधुगण मु बेले बेले लगे जे विकास करने गोटे सरकार को प्रगतिशील हबार आवश्यकता अच्छी। प्रगतिशील सरकार विकास गति को आहरी त्वरान्वित करिवार एक भूमिका सृष्टि करे एवं अनेक समय एक भी लगे जे सरकार जेमिति होची गोटे गोटे व्यवसाय परिचालना जेमिति आमे करूचे सरकार परिचालना भी समान भाव भावी दिंतु जेमिति आमे व्यवसाय क्षेत्र में गोटे निर्दिष्ट योजना करुचे आगु जीवाई एवं से निर्दिष्ट योजना को बारंबार भेटिंग करुचे तापाई फंड्स एलोकेशन करुचे तार इम्प्लीमेंटेशन को और बहुत माइन्यूटली बहुत कैलिब्रेटेड वे आमे तार इम्प्लीमेंटेशन भी से योजना को करुचे समान भाव में गोटे सरकार जितेबले विकास रास्तार चलने को आरंभ करुची सरकार निजर गोटे लक्ष्य स्थिर करुचंती से लक्ष्य योजना तैयारी करुचंती योजनार भेटिंग होउची तापाई बजेट एलोकेशन होउची एवं तार इम्प्लीमेंटेशन प्रतिटी बिंदु को से इम्प्लीमेंटेशन प्रतिटी बिंदु को ताकू जोड़िबा पाई सरकार जदि ठीक ढंग से तार व्यवस्था करें क्रियान्वयन करें तेबे जाइकी विकास एक रास्ता खोलिबो सेही दृष्टिकोण को धरिकी आमे चलवा आरंभ करिचे जो भली भाव में भारत वर्ष रे गोटे सामग्रिक भाव में चिंता होची जे टू बिकम द थर्ड बेस्ट इकोनॉमी इन द वर्ल्ड एवं आमे 5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी टार्गेट टच करिवार जो प्रक्रिया ताकू आरंभ करिचे समान भाव में ओडिशा 2036 मसीहा सुद्धा 500 मिलियन US डॉलर साइज रो इकोनॉमी करबा पई ओडिशा प्रदेश को आमे आरंभ करूचे एवं 2047 सुधा 1500 मिलियन डॉलर रो एक कैपेसिटी रो इकोनॉमी तैयारी करबा पई आमे योजनाबद्ध एक लक्ष्य रखी चलुचे जो मानकू आमे जदि एटी जेतेबेले आमे सर्वभारतीय स्तर रे कि विश्व स्तर रे देखिबा जेतेबेले हमर इकोनॉमी रो ग्रोथ होउची से समय रे हमकू साइमल्टेनियसली पर कैपिटा इनकम तार कैपेसिटी जदि ग्रोथ न करेबा ओडिशा रे भी जदि समान भाव में आमर इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ सहित राज्यर ओवरऑल इकोनॉमी रो ग्रोथ सहित जदि पर कैपिटा इनकम रो ग्रोथ हमें जदि साइमल्टेनियस तार विकास दृष्टि को नवा ताहले निश्चित भाव में कोठी ना कोठी आमे अन्याय करबा एवं जो ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट कथा आमे कहूचे विकसित ओडिशा जो स्वप्न देखुचे से स्वप्न हुए तो सफल न हो पारे ताकू आखि आगे रखी अनेक गुड़िए योजना आरंभ होईची जेमिति व्यापक शिल्पायनर एक क्षेत्र सृष्टि होईची फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम गोटे पाखापाखि 16 लाख कोटी टंकार इंडस्ट्रियल इंटेंट विभिन्न शिल्प संस्था मानकर इंटेंट एटी ओडिशा रे से माने शिल्पायन करिवे बोली से भली एक योजना सृष्टि हैला एवं जहार पाखापाखि 30-32% आज तारिख रे ग्राउंड ब्रेकिंग सरलाणी आशा करिबा आमे एथिरे गोटे बड़ सफलता पाइबा शिल्पायन दृष्टिकोण आगुरी केवल मिनरल बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज आसुला आम पाखक आज तारिख रे सेमीकंडक्टर ठू आरंभ करके विभिन्न सेक्टर इंडस्ट्री आज ओडिशा आसवाई रास्ता खोलिकी आसवा आरंभ करिसेंती द्वितीय कथा हला एटी ओडिशा रे एमएसएमई सेक्टर रो गोटे मासिव ग्रोथ केमथि हेबो ता पई गोटे विस्तृत योजना होउची एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर रे केमिति गोटे मासिव ग्रोथ हबो एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर रे फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम सरकार फार्मर्स को एम्पावर करने गोटे 800 टंकार सब्सिडी देले आपणकर पैडी प्रोक्योरमेंट रे जोटा कि आमर सबुठु मेजर कल्टिवेटेड प्रोडक्ट जोटा कहा जाए किंतु ता सत्वे भी आज चाषी को आहुरी समृद्ध करने विभिन्न मल्टी क्रॉप करवाई डाइवर्सिफाइड क्रॉप करवाई एवं आलाइड एरिया गुड़िकर जो गुड़िकर पशुपालन हो विभिन्न एरिया हो से एम्पावर करने रूराल इकोनॉमी को गोटे बूस्ट दवाई बेसिकली ए कथा को आरंभ कराई एवं साइमल्टेनियसली महिला मानकर तांकर जो इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ दृष्टिकोण आज निश्चित भाव में यहाँ आम समस्त गोटे खुशीर कथा जे सर्वभारतीय स्तर में जी लक्षपति दीदी हेबे बोली जो रजिस्ट्रेशन होती से हाईएस्ट नंबर अच्छी आज तारीख पर्यंत भी ओडिशा अच्छी एवं सबुठु बड़ कथा हूँ सरकारी स्तर में निजुक्ति पाखापाखि 38,000 निजुक्ति यही 1.5 वर्ष भितर आम कर सारीचु मु तो निश्चित भाव में आज तारीख में धन्यवाद देवी डॉक्टर अच्युत सामंत को एवं सौम्यजित बाबू को भी जो भली भाव में कलिंग टीवी बारंबार ये समान विषय उपरे ओडिशा रे विभिन्न फ्राटर्निटी रे थिबा विभिन्न सेक्टर रे काम करथिबा विभिन्न अंचल रे काम करथिबा बुद्धिजीवी बंधु माननकु एकाठी करिकी ए संपर्क रे विकसित ओडिशार जो शब्द विकसित ओडिशार जो भावना विकसित ओडिशा पाई जो स्वप्न से स्वप्न को बारंबार बारंबार जेतेबेले चर्चा करूचंती आलोचना करूचंती निश्चित भाव में ये आम समस्तंक भितर आम समस्त को जो मैंने सामने बसचंती जो मैंने मंच उपर अच्छा समस्त को बाध्य कर स्वप्न देखापी एवं समस्तंकर निजस्व व्यू रिगार्डिंग विकसित ओडिशा ये कथा को थे आम भितर सेयार कर एक माहौल तैयारी हम जहाँफल निश्चित भाव में अवश्यम्भावी भाव में विकसित ओडिशार एक चित्र आम जोटा चिंता करुचे से समय सीमा भितर आम ताकू पहुँचवा एवं सफलतार सहित पहुँचवा तेणुक ए लक्ष्य नहीं कि चलवा भितर निश्चित ये भूमिका कलिंग टीवी अत्यंत साधु उद्यम एवं मु आशा करी ये केवल 2-3 घंटा 4 घंटार नुह आर विभिन्न दिग कृषि क्षेत्र में कौन हवा दरकार अच्छी क्लाइमेट क्षेत्र में कौन हवा दरकार अच्छी शिल्प क्षेत्र में कौन हवा दरकार अच्छी एमएसएमई सेक्टर में कौन हवा दरकार अच्छी ये विभिन्न दिग को विस्तृत भाव में तार चर्चा आलोचना हो एवं से कलिंग टीवी तार लीडरशिप नौ एवं आमे समस्ते आपणक सांगरे अच्छू एवं निश्चित भाव में आपणकर ए जो कार्यक्रम गुड़िक जहाँ उत्कर्ष बाहर ताकू ग्रहण करके आगू जावाकू सरकार निश्चित भाव में से चेष्टा भी करेंगे एक कही मोर कथा शेष कर जय जगन्नाथ वंदे उत्कल जननी
Thank you, sir, for that sharp and meaningful address. Your words always add depth and perspective to any discussion.
विकसित भारत विकसित ओडिशा विकसित भारत विकसित ओडिशा
We will now proceed with the felicitation of our esteemed dignitaries. May I request the dignitaries to kindly join in for the presentation.
I have specially come for this Kids and Kiss and Kalinga TV for this very function. I had heard many things about this and I just wanted to know what it is. Today I visited the campus of Kids and Kiss, just had a small tour and tried to understood. Now this particular function named as Vikasit Bharat Vikasit Odisha, organized by Kalinga TV. On this very occasion, we have here Dr. Achyuta Samant himself, Shri Ravi Hegde ji, Shri Prabhu Chawla ji, Shri Prithviraj Harichandra ji, who is Minister of ours here, Shri Saumyajit Patnaik, all other dignitaries on the dais, और सभागार में बैठे हुए सभी बहनों और भाइयों। विकसित भारत का सपना प्रधानमंत्री जी ने हमारे सामने रखा है और वो विकसित भारत क्या है इसकी अपने पूरे देश में बहुत चर्चा हो रही है। What does that exactly mean to me? That has to be defined in fact. विकसित भारत हम सबके लिए अच्छा है। Person like me comes here, talks many lot things, gives whole statistics, how it is being done, कहाँ क्या करना है, लोग क्या करते हैं, how we have developed. जैसे कि रवि हेगड़े जी अभी बता रहे थे और प्रभु चावला जी ने भी उसका उल्लेख किया कि हाउ वी हैव ग्रोन आवर जीडीपी अनएक्सपेक्टेड टू ऑल अदर कंट्रीज एंड वी हैव गॉन बियॉन्ड द एक्सपेक्टेशंस। तो ये सब होने वाला है, ये चलता रहेगा। बट वॉट डज दैट एग्जैक्टली मीन टू मी? मुझे विकसित भारत का सपना क्या है? हाउ कैन आई कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट टूवर्ड्स इट? दैट इज द क्वेश्चन इन फैक्ट। नहीं तो कैसा होगा कि मुझ जैसा यहाँ एक वक्ता आएगा, भाषण करके चला जाएगा, आप यहाँ तालियां बजाएंगे, बहुत अच्छा भाषण किया, एंड वी फॉरगेट विकसित भारत, वी फॉरगेट विकसित ओडिशा, एवरीथिंग। दैट इज द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस ऑफ ऑल सच थिंग्स। जैसे कि मेरे पहले वक्ताओं ने बताया, खास करके प्रभु चावला जी ने बताया कि इट शुड हैव बीन द अदर वे, नॉट विकसित भारत एंड विकसित ओडिशा. It should have been Vikasit Odisha and then the Vikasit Bharat will come. It is absolutely correct. We all must understand what is Vikasit Odisha. We all are working for Vikasit Odisha and then we will be achieving what is Vikasit Bharat. For me, the road to Vikasit Bharat passes through Vikasit Odisha. विकसित ओडिशा जब होगा तब ही जाकर हमारा विकसित भारत होगा. सो एवरी स्टेट हैज इट्स ओन कंट्रीब्यूशन टुवर्ड्स इट. एवरी स्टेट हैज टू से contribute towards it. That's true. We all will be contributing. Every state will be contributing. My question to again and again to me, what will be my contribution? My contribution. विकसित भारत का अर्थ मेरे लिए क्या है? It is nice to hear that how GDP increases. It is nice to see how the economy is growing, what trillion dollars we will be, where we will be. We are a fourth economy in the world and now we will be third economy. It is nice to hear and we get really soothing relief for this. But again and again we will have to ask this question to us. What should be Vikasit Bharat mean to me? अगर इसका कोई अर्थ, उसका कोई उत्तर हम दे नहीं पाएंगे, we will be just mute spectators. We should not be mute spectators to this. We have to get involved in it. क्या होगा विकसित भारत का सपना? For me, विकसित भारत is not only an economic concept. It is just not only an economic concept. It is an all-round development of our society. समग्र विकास, सभी बाजू से हमारे प्रदेश का, हमारे देश का, हमारे समाज का विकास जब होगा, तब जाकर हम विकसित भारत बनेंगे, तब जाकर हम विकसित ओडिशा बनेंगे. ग्लोबल कंसेप्ट, ग्लोबल पैरामीटर्स विकसित देश का क्या होता है? These are purely economic concepts. We are not following that. हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने ये पूरी तरह उसको समझ चुके हैं कि ग्लोबल पैरामीटर्स जो हैं इकोनॉमी या डेवलप्ड कंट्री के, those parameters are there. We are trying to achieve all those economic parameters of the global level. But at the same time, we want that our society should also be developed in all-round manner, हमारी सोसाइटी का, हमारे समाज का जो विकास होने वाला है, that will connect us to our विकसित भारत, that will connect to our global parameters. इसी को लेकर हमको जाने की आवश्यकता है. अगर हम इसको नहीं कर पाएंगे तो हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? Now that educational parameters, which I have visited the educational institutions, we have seen how it can be done, how it can be achieved. A person standing behind this firmly and getting the results after few years, that is Vikasit Bharat, that is Vikasit Odisha. That is what Achyuta Samant has achieved. Kids and Keys as what he has achieved is Vikasit, is a parameter of Vikasit Odisha. It should be globally, it should be nationally attained, it should be nationally achieved, mentioned everywhere. कि क्या कैसे हो सकता है? Education is one parameter. Our social justice is another parameter. Industry development is another parameter. हमारे बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूशंस क्या होते हैं, एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस पर्टिकुलरली, ऑल दीज इंस्टीट्यूशन दे टेल अस सी हाउ ग्रेट वी आर. उनके एडवर्टीजमेंट्स में तो बहुत बार पढ़ता हूँ और उसमें वो लिखते हैं दिस इज आवर अचीवमेंट, एंड व्हाट आर द अचीवमेंट्स, फॉर दैट दे प्लेस मेक अ वेरी बिग स्टेटमेंट very boldly. What is that statement? We have done placement to the extent of 80% and 90%. प्लेसमेंट किया हमने, हमारे पास जो पढ़ने के लिए आते हैं उनका प्लेसमेंट किया. What is that placement mean? प्लेसमेंट का मतलब यह है कि हमने बच्चों को नौकरी दी है, बच्चों को हमने नौकर तैयार किए हैं. Not the masters. We have created job seekers. What we have to do is today is job giver, job producer. We are just your job seeker. हमारे एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन जॉब सीकर कर रहे हैं, जॉब मांगने वाले तैयार कर रहे हैं. Are we not going to change that concept? That is Vikasit Bharat. If we are changing that concept, oh, instead of becoming a job seeker, I will be job giver. Let me be the master of this. Every educational institution here should have incubation center, should have economic entrepreneurship development cell, so that we can develop entrepreneurs, not the slaves. That is what we need today. That will certainly add to our Vikasit Odisha. That will certainly add to our Vikasit Bharat. That is what we want, my dear friends. And to me, this concept is this. And to this, we all have to contribute something. See, Vikasit Bharat का मतलब ये है कि मैं कुछ contribute करूं. And what can be that? Can I myself adopt a sense of Swadeshi? Can I do it? प्रधानमंत्री ने बाय 2047 के तक हमारा एक लक्ष्य रखा है कि भारत विकसित भारत बनने वाला है. By that time, can I be a Swadeshi person? There are many aspects for Swadeshi. स्वभाषा हो सकता है, स्व संस्कृति हो सकता है, स्व इतिहास हो सकता है, स्व परंपरा हो सकती है, स्व जो हमारे प्रदेश में चीजें बनती हैं उसका उपयोग करने का भी स्व का जागरण होता है. I want my economic stability in the world. My economy should be considered as world's largest and biggest economy. But I will be using imported goods. I will be using imported pen. I will be using imported wristwatch. I will be using imported cosmetics on my dressing table. No, that cannot be done. We will have to change ourselves. Then only we can have Vikasit Bharat. Then only we can have a stable economy of the world. पूरे देश वहाँ जाने के यहाँ, हमारे यहाँ पूरे देश की इकोनॉमी संसार में जानी चाहिए, विश्व में जानी चाहिए. Then we will have to be vocal for local. That is the concept of Vikasit Bharat for me. I should do this. I should practice this. Let us, there is a lot of time for us. By the time we come to Vikasit Bharat by 2047, we will do this. Let us try to change. I know this cannot happen overnight. This cannot happen. लेकिन आज से शुरुआत तो मैं कर सकता हूँ. From today onwards, can I start this? Yes, I can certainly do this. When a person like Achyuta Samant can do lot of work here, why not ourselves? Why not myself? Why not me? We all can follow this example. For me, Vikasit Bharat means this. For me, Vikasit Bharat means economic stability, social stability, stability in everything, but I have to contribute towards it. Not only Narendra Modi ji. नरेंद्र मोदी जी का कंट्रीब्यूशन रहेगा, भारत विकसित हो जाएगा, नथिंग. I will have to contribute because tomorrow's generation will ask me कि बाबा आपने क्या किया था विकसित भारत के लिए. I have to answer my next generation. Yes, I have contributed towards Vikasit Bharat in this way. That is what we need to do. That's all. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सबको. भारत माता की जय.
विकसित भारत विकसित ओडिशा.
Powered by Rungta Mines Limited.
रुंगटा स्टील TMT बार एकदम सॉलिड.
Associate sponsor Jindal Steels, MJ Minerals Limited, SN Mohanty Group of Companies,
Unleash freshness. Wildstone Cold Body Perfumes.
Paradip Port Authority, Odisha Industrial Infrastructure Development Corporation, Vedant Limited, Mahanadi Coalfields Limited, Tata Steel Limited, Nalco.